This property is a beautiful period building situated in the center of Sant'Eusanio del Sangro. The property is dated back to the 19th century and the main entrance has a characteristic stone arched portal that opens into a landing from which we have access to a small bathroom with shower facilities. And a large kitchen dining room with vaulted ceilings and a fireplace. A comfortable staircase takes us to the first floor, where we find a landing with a balcony overlooking the village. On this floor, there are also two bedrooms with beautiful original vintage tiles, one with a window and the other one with a balcony. On the second floor is located the third bedroom, also with original tiles and a window. This floor has also access to a large terrace overlooking the historic center. The palazzo also avails of another unit situated on the ground floor that can be turned into another habitable space. The property has all utilities connected, it is in habitable condition, it just needs some internal revamping and cosmetic works. It is on the market for €49,000.